In this video, you will learn the 5 best ways to invest $100. Investing your money can change your life, and the sooner you start investing, the more your money will grow. Due to the inflation, your money loses value, and keeping your money at home or in a bank is a bad financial decision that leads to a guaranteed loss of capital in the long run. That is why most people decide to invest their money, but they all think they need thousands of dollars lying around. There is no good place to put their money. The truth is, even if you have $100, you can start investing and open a whole new world for you. If you have managed to save up $100, here are the 5 best ways to invest your money today. Number 1. Start a business. I know that it sounds too good to be true, but there are many businesses you can start with as little as $100. The problem is that when we think about starting a business, we imagine big businesses and ignore all other ones that are easier to start. You can set up your store online and spend $100 for marketing the product. In fact, I started my Instagram business with no money. During the quarantine, I saw all those Instagram pages just sharing their thoughts and experiences. So, being a highly motivated person, I said to myself, why don't you create a page and share your thoughts with other people? I have to admit, in the beginning, I had no experience in creating content. It was absolutely horrible, and I did not really care much because it was just a hobby for me. But then, I slowly started improving the quality and started reaching more and more people, so I had to hire a content creator to save myself a time and focus more on monetizing the page. We're all lucky to be born in this generation, because with today's digital technology, you can start your business with almost no money. Number 2. Learn high income skill. The best way to invest your $100 is in learning high income skills. You can buy online courses, or if you have extra time and you're willing to do the research, you can even learn everything on the internet for free. High income skills are talents or knowledge that someone has that business owners are willing to pay big money for. Money is made when you add value and solve problems. There are many businesses struggling to reach more people on the internet, so learning how to run Facebook ads and social media marketing can make you a valuable person to choose business owners and make you big money. Some of the other high income skills are copywriting, graphic designer, web designer, and content creation. Number 3. Stock trading. Many people like to invest into brands they personally like, such as Nike, Apple, Google, Amazon, but however, the problem with these brands is they can cost hundreds if not thousands for a single share. Now, if you only have $100 and want to invest in Apple, you could buy fractional shares through Robinhood. Fractional shares are a great way to get your toes wet in the stock market, especially if you're starting out with only $100. Investing in fractional shares gives your money much more potential to grow. Also, you can start investing in index mutual funds or exchange traded funds. Investing your money in index mutual funds or exchange traded funds is a great way to enter the world of stock market. Investing in these two will give you the ability to diversify your portfolio and invest small amounts in the biggest companies. Number 4. Buy and sell. All businesses are based on buying items cheaply, turning around and selling them elsewhere at a significant markup. For example, the store in your neighborhood did not produce the product it sells. Rather, it bought all the products for the very cheap price from the supplier, and now it is selling them for the higher price. The process is much simpler than most of the people think. Buy low and sell high. For example, you can create your own store and make money without even owning or touching a product. All you need to do is connect with the supplier from China through AliExpress or Alibaba, create a website, and drive the traffic to your website by running Facebook or Google ads. When someone orders a product, you just connect the customer with the supplier and take the profit. Number 5. Invest in yourself. The greatest investor of all time, Warren Buffett, advised that the best investment you can make is in yourself. Investing in yourself provides a great return on investment, paying you in dividends for the rest of the life. I would argue that it is one of the best ways to invest your $100. There are books you can buy well under $100. The knowledge you gain from these books is not something you can lose, it could be with you forever. You can earn thousands of dollars from the knowledge you gain by reading books. There are an endless number of ways you can invest in yourself rather than books, such as health and wellness, passions or interests, and even relationships. So these are the top 5 ways to invest your $100. It really just depends on your risk tolerance and how long you want to invest for, but I guarantee one of these ways is going to help you maximize the return of your money when you have it, so that way you could turn it into something huge in the future. Also, you can smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and if you have not already, make sure to subscribe.